Managing oily hair can feel like a never-ending battle, but the right shampoo makes all the difference. As awareness grows around clean beauty and scalp care, the demand for specialized shampoos is booming. Whether you're fighting grease by midday or just want a fresher feel between washes, this guide dives into the best shampoos for oily hair. We evaluate each based on ingredients. List number: Japanese shampoo and conditioner set for women, sulfate-free, organic rose scent. This Japanese shampoo and conditioner set is crafted for those who prefer gentle, clean beauty solutions. Free from sulfates, parabens, and dyes, it's ideal for sensitive scalps and oily roots. The standout feature is its luxurious organic rose scent, offering a spa-like experience every time you shower. While deeply cleansing, the formula preserves natural moisture and helps rebalance sebum production, making it perfect for oily hair that's also prone to dryness or irritation. Users report noticeable improvements in scalp health and a significant reduction in oiliness within a week. The sleek packaging and salon list number: native coconut and vanilla shampoo and conditioner, naturally derived for all hair types. Native's coconut and vanilla shampoo and conditioner set is a fan favorite for good reason. It combines naturally derived ingredients and a clean formula that works across all hair types, including oily scalps. The tropical coconut and vanilla scent offers a refreshing and calming shower experience without being overwhelming. Despite its sulfate-free formula, it lathers well and effectively lifts away oil and impurities. This product is especially beneficial for those who want to keep their oily scalp in check while protecting color-treated or processed hair. Native is also cruelty-free, paraben-free, and eco-conscious, which adds to its appeal. It's a great list 3. Tea Tree Special Shampoo, deep cleansing for oily hair. For those battling persistent oil and scalp buildup, Tea Tree Special Shampoo is a game changer. Infused with tea tree oil, peppermint, and lavender, this invigorating formula provides a cooling sensation while deep cleaning the scalp. It targets oil at the root, leaving your hair feeling lighter and fresher after every wash. Especially suited for oily hair types, this shampoo also soothes itchy or flaky scalps, making it a dual-action solution. It's widely recommended by hairstylists and dermatologists for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. While it may be too intense for daily use on dry hair, oily-haired users will appreciate its clarifying power. If you need a reset button for your scalp, this is it. List 4. Native Shampoo and Conditioner for all hair types, sulfate-free. Another great entry from Native. This version of their shampoo and conditioner line focuses on fine to dry damaged hair while still catering to oily scalps. The sulfate-free formula gently cleanses without stripping, helping to maintain moisture balance even with frequent washes. Native uses a blend of naturally derived ingredients to remove oil and buildup while protecting hair from breakage. Although it's not marketed exclusively for oily hair, users with greasy roots report impressive results. Its mild scent and lightweight feel make it ideal for daily use. If you're looking for a gentle, multitasking shampoo that balances scalp oil without drying ends, this is a solid contender. List 5. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plus Pure 72H Purifying Shampoo with salicylic acid. This clarifying shampoo from L'Oréal Paris is designed specifically for oily hair, and it shows. With the power of salicylic acid, it exfoliates the scalp, unclogs pores, and removes excess oil without damaging hair fibers. The addition of hyaluronic acid ensures that hair remains hydrated and soft, not stripped or dry, promising 72 hours of freshness. This is a fantastic option for people who want to extend the time between washes. The clean, light fragrance and salon-level performance at a drugstore price make this shampoo a top value pick. It's perfect for oily hair sufferers